October 27 is National Black Cat Day. National Black Cat Day was founded by the Cat Protection Organization in 2011. According to some superstitions, black cats are sometimes associated with bad luck, but there are many other myths about black cats that are actually positive. For example, if a black cat walks in front of us, it is said that it will take away all our troubles. Black cats are beautiful and great cats with infinite charm. Let's publicize all their advantages. This is our oil pastel painting and its painting time lapse for this special day. Have a great day.